Welcome back to the channel, everybody. You already know it's your boy Julio coming at you with another video. Today I wanted to bring you a brief video in regards to Ubisoft's announcement a couple of days ago at the 2022 Game Developers Conference. They pretty much announced a new technology advancement they've been working on within the company that they claim is going to create limitless worlds. Now this new technology, Ubisoft is already utilizing it in their upcoming games in different studios. From the sounds of it, looks like Ubisoft is trying to break away from, the complex engines that we're used to in regards to game development. They're trying to set free the game developers, from this box, this, limit that they have in regards to, creating and updating their own version of the game and be able to, do that flawlessly. Now this new technology, Ubisoft is calling it Ubisoft Scalar. Ubisoft describes it as a transforming engine systems into distributed services, allowing them to harness vast amount of processing power within the cloud. So yeah, you heard it here. It's going to be a cloud-based engine. So that's pretty exciting. Everything I've seen nowadays is, processed from a cloud, Apple cloud, Microsoft cloud, everything, that we're seeing is transforming to a cloud because the power in the cloud is just so vast. So, it doesn't restrict you, in that box in regards to that. There's unlimited storage in that sense. Now, Ubisoft Scalar is going to unlock the power and flexibility to create worlds with no borders or nearly no borders, such as like games like Minecraft or Elder Scrolls, but on a whole different spectrum. It's going to be crazy to see what they can do, what they can manipulate in regards to this new cloud service. Now, what does that mean for us console players and even our last gen owners? It means it's going to reduce dependency on players' hardware and provide new possibility for game development. So it's going to stop limiting. It's going to stop limiting our game systems, in regards to what they can, run, because it's going to be run on this cloud. So it's going to be, less pressure and less, hardware push on our actual game systems, and it should run more smoother. Now Ubisoft said in the conference that Ubisoft Stockholm is going to be the main development with this new IP. So that's pretty cool. We should hear more word from Ubisoft Stockholm in regards to this. Now I don't have any footage to show you yet, but that could change. Just have your fingers crossed. We could see some gameplay here, or of this new cloud service to see what type of functionalities. We have already seen things from Unreal Engine 5. So this is pretty exciting. I want to see, what Ubisoft can bring to the table. Now, typically games are created on a game engine, that we're used to. But the thing about a game engine is it really limits their creativity, because if a game developer goes in and decides to change any elements, they could be, damaging other people's work as well. With you trying to edit elements on one, system, it could be, damaging to other ones. Now Ubisoft Scalar is claiming it's going to help developers with that issue. It's going to be able to have, no negative impact on other creators. They can go in and update the game elements without affecting other, creators that are also working on the game, which can, help delay, stop delaying games in that regards. Now Ubisoft states this could help creators easily update their games in development, since it would be easier to share with other coworkers and team members that are also working on the game. Ubisoft also said games using this technology can therefore leverage a virtuality infinite amount of computing power to push the envelope of different aspects, run anything from vast virtual worlds to deeply simulations and environments that were previously unachievable. So from that quote alone, it looks like this new cloud service is going to be able to push that envelope, to be able to create these vast virtual worlds like they say, and give us a more deeper, broader aspect of a simulation. So that's a big thing I want to point out. On other note, Scalar is also going to be able to help us, game developers, be able to add or update features within the game without interrupting any game sessions that us players are having. So I don't know about you, if you ever got home from work, you're like, dang, all the boys are on, you want to play a new COD update, you go to play, forgot to update. Here's a big update to do. That just takes away, that's heart crushing, especially if you're on limited time, where you work 40 hours a day, You know, you don't want to see that. Or you got, you know, bad internet. You're like, dang, I don't want to see that. You know, so this is definitely going to be a big takeaway from that, is they're going to be able to update the game within the live session of the game. So they won't force you to quit playing the game. You'll be able to update it and continue, you know, having your experience, having that enjoyment in regards to that. So, you know, I'm super excited to hear more about this technology. You know, I want to see if Ubisoft does it right. It can create a game that literally each player has a unique and different experience, because it's going to remove those borders that we're used to in regards to, you know, these creators having to work within a certain realm of a game engine. They can reach beyond what they possibly could. So let me know what y'all think. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and it's been your boy Julio. I'm out.